Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by ensuring connectivity and a reachable phone number, because Google verifies identity during setup. Turn on Wi-Fi or enable mobile data, then open settings to confirm time and software updates. This prevents sign-in errors. Next, launch the Google or Gmail app. Once done, tap Create Account or Sign In. You're doing this now so verification codes and backup options work immediately. Make sure to choose an email you control and enter a recovery phone for account safety and future password resets. Now you'll add personal details and a strong password. This helps prevent account lockouts. Type your full name, accurate birth date, and choose a password with letters, numbers, and symbols. Google prefers 12 characters or more. Next, confirm your phone number to receive an SMS code. Once received, enter the code immediately because it often expires. Then add a recovery email to speed future recovery. Make sure to read the important permissions and privacy prompts before tapping Accept or Continue, so you know what syncs. Finish by choosing sync settings, contacts, calendar, and photos, so your data moves to this phone. Once done, tap Done. Then open Play Store and sign in again if needed so apps and purchases restore. If the account creation fails, try signing out and back in. Make sure date/time is automatic and switch networks. If problems persist, clear cache for Google Play Services and Google Play Store, reboot, and retry verification. That one troubleshooting step fixes most token or sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.